Hey, rich friends, it's your girl Cha Cha reporting live from the Money Mantra, and we are back with another Forex education video. I created my channel to help as many people as possible become independent and profitable traders. So, if that sounds like you are in the right place at the right time. So, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you guys here, excited about learning. The channel is really growing every single day. And that's really thanks to you guys watching the videos, liking the videos, sharing the videos. So I'm extremely grateful for all of your support, and I'm just happy to be here and on your trading journey with you. Now, if you are new here, I do make a lot of short, quick videos covering charting fundamentals. So if you browse my playlist, you'll find information on things like market structure, candlesticks, strategies, indicators. Whatever you're looking for, I'm pretty sure you can find a bite-sized video of it on my channel. So feel free to get nosy. If you are a returning viewer, please make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, especially if you find yourself coming back and if you have been learning and dropping those sevens in the chat. So if you do not know, I also have a personal mentorship program. It comes with a self-guided online course where you can watch the videos in order to build on your knowledge. We have live sessions every Sunday, and I am getting back into live trading, which means you can make money directly on the call every single week. And I also post weekly trade ideas. Sometimes there are swing trades, sometimes there are scalping ideas, but as long as you're tapped in, you will be able to make money because I love to help people learn and also earn money in the process. So if that sounds like something you would be interested in, you can find the information down below in my description box. And make sure you take advantage of any deals or promos that you see because at the end of the day, it's all about education and running into the right people at the right time. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about gold. Now, gold is something that I have started to trade more in 2024. I like the movement of gold. I like the market structure of gold. It's not too unpredictable. It just happens to move really quickly. Now, one thing I do like about gold is that you can enter a trade with a low risk, as little as 1 cent, but that money can really multiply itself when you see that gold will move hundreds and sometimes thousands of pips within a day. So, if you're interested in learning how to day trade gold or swing trade gold, this is going to be an awesome video for you. And make sure you hit the subscribe button if you find that this video is helpful once you get to the end. Now, there are different trading styles. You have scalping, which means that you can look at your chart on a small time frame. You can trade on as little as 1 minute. Then you have day traders who you're going to take your profit within a day. This may take a couple of hours or even a couple of minutes sometimes, depending on how fast the market is moving. Has there been any news that's affecting how the market is moving? You can be a swing trader, which means you're in your trade for a couple of days, or you can be in position trader, which they stay in their trades for months. Now, no matter which style you do, you are going to have to start with some type of analysis. So today we're going to be talking about day trading gold. This means that you can make your profit within the day, and you can even withdraw it within that day if that's what you choose to do. Now, we're going to start on the 15-minute time frame because gold, like most markets, is pretty fractal. This means that you're going to be able to find patterns on every single time frame. So the first thing that you're going to want to do when you are day trading is select the time frame. This should be anywhere between the 15-minute to the hour time frame. Gold tends to move a couple hundred pips a day. So no matter where you enter, if it's a good entry, you will be able to secure some pips. So I'm going to teach you guys a breakout strategy. This means that you're waiting for the market to break out either above or below a previous zone, and then you are going to take your entry. So let's just focus on this part of the market and say we came into the market at this time. Now we can see that for this period of time and for this collection of candles, the market was pretty much in the same type of flow. It was small movement. There wasn't any significant movements up, and there weren't any significant movements down. So we didn't really want to do anything. Now, it's not until the market breaks out of a structure that you've been able to identify where you want to feel more confident to take a trade in that direction. Now, this candle that I pointed out, we can see that actually the candle before it, we can see that this candle, right, broke the structure of what we previously saw. And it broke the structure on the upside. That was a great confirmation that the market is going to continue to push up. And that's exactly what it did. Now, you can trade strictly off of price action and you can wait for a break above or below to enter your trade. But if you do want to add an indicator for extra confirmation, one indicator that I like to use is the stochastic. And the stochastic reads pretty simply. The way I like to look at it is if it's facing up, and I see that this blue line is on top of this orange line, those are strong bullish confirmations, and we can see the market did indeed go up. Now, vice versa, if you see that the stochastic is facing down and the orange line is on top, usually that's when the market is going down. So if we go back to our first example, let's just say we came into the market during a period of consolidation. We wait for the break to enter, right? This market just happened to break above. So we enter for a buy. And then you can set your TPs at previous highs, right? This would have been a great TP because we can see the market reach that point and then it continued to climb. So you wait for the break above or below. You set your TP at a previous high and you set your stop loss at a previous low. And most of the time, the market will do just that, right? So let's look at a sell example, right? So let's just say we came into the market at this time. Let's just say we came into the market at this time. Now, if you guys can see that the market was consolidating or moving sideways, just go ahead and drop a 7 in the chat. Now, on the next candle, we can see that we had a break below the previous structure, and we would have wanted to use a previous low, right? I'm going to use, you can use any of these lows, right? Here's the previous low. That's the first one. So we can use a previous low as our TP, and we can see that within the 15 minutes, we would have been able to secure our profit. And let's just see exactly how many pips that is. We're going to use our info line. We would have entered at the break. Okay, that was about almost 900 pips, 748 pips. But that's not bad, right? Some people have a goal of 1,000 pips a week. So imagine being able to secure all of your pips in one trade, right? And all you had to do was wait for a break of structure. So I'm just going to highlight a few more examples of this, right? You can find this on the 15-minute time frame. You can find this on the hour time frame, right? Now, if you're scalping, again, you're doing the same thing on a smaller time frame, but you just have to be patient, right? A lot of trading is patience. And you can see for a long time, the market can be consolidating. So if you get an opportunity to get in for a break, right, and secure hundreds of pips, that is definitely a risk worth taking. So I'm going to show you guys another example. And this is, like I said, this is a break of structure strategy for day trading, right? And all you have to do is be patient. So we have a sell example there. And we have a buy example here. So we see that the market was consolidating, right? We see that the market had a break of structure on the downside. We see that we would have used a previous low as a TP, and we see that we would have been able to secure about 700, 800 pips, right? Let's just round up 800 pips in an hour and a half. And all we would have had to do is wait. Now, here's another example. We can see gold consolidating. We see we had a break of structure, right, on this candle. It broke outside of the box. And you can even use these rectangles to do your analysis, right? We want to use a previous high as a TP, right? That would have been a TP1. And then we can even take it to the high that we just sold off of for a TP2. And we could have potentially secured, right, 1,500 or more pips in 2.5 hours just for waiting for that break. Now, again, this is for day traders. You're making your money within a day, but you can apply this strategy to scalping and swing trading as well. It's pretty simple. You just have to wait. And what I like about gold structure is that it really is very predictable. Once there's a period of consolidation, there will typically be a break above or below because the market has to keep moving. And this doesn't just apply to gold, this applies to anything you're trading. So I really hope that this video was helpful. I hope that you guys will apply this strategy and become more profitable, not only in this year, but every year and beyond. So if this was helpful, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, share it with another trader who you think it will be helpful to. But that's really all I have for you guys today. Until next time, rich friends.